Have you ever wondered how a small egg like Kinder Joy can capture the hearts of millions of children around the world? With the perfect combination of sweet chocolate, creamy milk filling, and a surprise toy inside, Kinder Joy is more than just a snack, it's a joyful experience. In today's video, let's take a behind-the-scenes look inside the factory where these special eggs are created, using cutting-edge technology and strict quality control processes. The production process of Kinder Joy chocolate eggs in the factory is carried out on a modern, closed, and highly automated production line with strict procedures. First, in the raw material preparation stage, chocolate and milk cream are blended using industrial mixers and melted in heated tanks to reach the perfect liquid consistency, while homogenizers ensure the cream is smooth and uniform. At the same time, crispy wafer balls are roasted and coated with chocolate using automated coating machines. Next, the egg-shaped plastic shells are formed through injection molding machines, creating two precise half shells, which are then labeled and inspected using vision inspection systems. In the food filling process, chocolate and milk cream are accurately dispensed into one half of the shell by automatic filling machines, followed by automatic feeders placing two crispy wafer balls into the cream. On the other half of the shell, the toy is packed securely using toy packing machines, and robotic pick-and-place arms accurately position the toy into the shell. Once both halves are ready, the egg sealing machine and sealing label applicators tightly close and seal the product, ensuring durability and hygiene. Before leaving the factory, products undergo multiple quality checks, including automatic weight checks, vision inspections to detect defects, and metal detectors to eliminate foreign objects. Finally, the finished products are placed into cartons, packed into cases, and shrink-wrapped by fully automated packing and palletizing systems, ready for distribution to consumers. The entire production line is monitored by a modern SCADA control system, ensuring safety, accuracy, and synchronization to meet international quality standards. From carefully selected ingredients to highly automated production steps, Kinder Joy delivers not only delicious taste but also absolute safety for consumers, especially children. Each egg is a small gift filled with care, creativity, and innovation. We hope this video gives you a deeper appreciation for the little wonders hidden beneath the plastic shell of Kinder Joy, a true symbol of joy and surprise for all ages.